All right, page 128, problem number 4. A collection of 52 dimes and nickels is worth $4.50. How many nickels are there? All right, they gave us this chart already, and they put cents here and cents here. They told us that we're going to multiply and that we're going to get it, have an equal sign here. So this column times this column equals this column. Let's go ahead and put the variable in the box they're asking the question about. It says, how many nickels are there? So I want to put my variable in this box as n, because that box is where our answer will be. And if I make that box my variable, I won't have to do anything to the variable when I find it. So we've answered that part. All right, a collection of 52 dimes and nickels. Well, the number of dimes and nickels is this column. So if I have 52 in all, and n of them are nickels, then 52 minus n, whatever's left, would be your number of dimes. Okay, so we've used this part, a collection of 52 dimes and nickels. Okay, now they're telling us it's worth this much. Well, total value's over here, but to get it, I need to plug in these boxes. Value of the coin, well, dimes are 10 cents each. Nickels are 5 cents each. Okay, this box times this box, the number of nickels times the value of the nickel will give us the total value of the nickel. So n times 5 is 5n. All right, this one, 10 times this. Well, it's 10 times all of this box, so I need parentheses. 10 times 52 is 520. Keep your minus sign. 10 times n is 10n. Okay, they told me that the collection is worth $4.50. But notice here they're using a dollar sign, and here they're using cents. They're using cents here because we use cents here. That's fine. That means you're going to have to convert this to cents. Well, $4.50 is 450 if we're just saying cents. So we're going to say this box, the value of the dimes, plus this box, the value of the nickels, equals your 450 cents. And I really don't need to have the cents in my equation. Combine like terms. 520 stays. Your negative's going to win out. Subtract the 520 from both sides so that the variable piece is left by itself. That minus or that negative is still there, so I've got to bring it down. 450 is positive, 520 is negative. You've got more negatives. And if you're having trouble, you can use a calculator and do it backwards. Put the big number in minus the smaller number. You get your 70. If you're ever having trouble, just switch it. Put the positive number in the calculator, or put the negative number in the calculator first, and then the positive number in, subtract it. Because all you're doing, think about it as red and green chips. You're going to have the same difference of chips. It's just whether it's positive or negative. Divide both sides by -5. Your negatives cancel, your 5s cancel, leaving you just the variable. Your negatives cancel. Think about this as 2-piece. 70 is the same as 50 and 20. Split it apart. If you were to divide 50 by 5, you get 10. If you were to divide 20 by 5, you'd get 4. So your answer is 14. 14 what? 14 nickels. And that is your final answer.